out this weekend. Yeah, it does. And tonight, Cy-Hawk tomorrow. Yep. Who's going to win? I got Iowa 17-14. Iowa State 21-7. Ooh. And tonight, Mason Mott Field, the home opener. The Wildcats and the Bombers. We'll have it live here at 6:30. Matt will be on the call. 7 o'clock kickoff. Woo-hoo. We got two. He's the greatest guy in history. From the town of Springfield, he's about to hit a chestnut tree.
The weekend has landed. All that exists now is clubs, drugs, pubs and parties. I've got 48 hours off from the world, man. I'm gonna blow steam out of my head like a screaming kettle. I'm gonna lose the plot on the dance floor. The free radicals inside me are freaking, man. Tonight I'm Chip Travolta, I'm Peter Popper. I'm going to Never Neverland with my chosen family, man. We're gonna get more spaced out than Neil Armstrong ever did. Anything could happen tonight, you know? This could be the best night of my life. I've got 73 quid in my back burner. I'm gonna wax the lot, man. The Milky Bars are on me, yeah!
Say goodbye to the work week.
Goodbye.
And hello to the weekend.
Hello.
With Free Ride Friday, only on 97.7 The Bull.
All right, they're listening. Oh, yeah, they are at the hospital. They're listening at the Treasurer's